Understanding Team Tryouts, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, team tryouts. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Team tryouts refers to a selection process where individuals participate in various activities or exercises to showcase their skills and abilities. This term is commonly used in sports and other team-based activities. The purpose of tryouts is to evaluate and select members for a team based on their performance. It's a competitive process where participants strive to impress the coaches or selectors. You'll often hear team tryouts in the context of sports teams at schools, colleges, or in professional settings. For example, a high school might hold tryouts for its basketball team. The term isn't limited to sports, though. It can also apply to other group activities like dance troupes, bands, or even academic clubs, where a group needs to select its members. Making the cut. This means being selected for the team after tryouts. Open tryouts. These are tryouts where anyone can participate, often seen in community sports. Invitational tryouts. These are more exclusive and are by invitation only. Understanding these phrases will help you get a better grasp of discussions around team tryouts. 1. Listen for clues. Pay attention to the context in which the term is used. 2. Ask for clarification. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask what the term means in that specific context. 3. Watch sports movies or shows. They often depict team tryouts, giving you a visual and practical understanding of the term. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the phrase, team tryouts, better. Remember, learning a language is all about exposure and practice, so keep exploring and asking questions. See you in our next video.